Oh my goodness. Yummy? Yummy? Leave comments below. Don't forget and share with your friends. Oops. Hello everyone, this is Ina with Innichka Chef and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making candy. Can you believe it? This is months of the junk food. And candy is a big part of the October month, right? And you can hear candy much often from me, but I want to show you today how to make homemade Reese's. They're unbelievably easy to make and so delicious. Last year I made them a big hit. My family, my boys love it. Let me show you. And for the ingredients we need just 3 ingredients. Peanut butter, chocolate chip, and honey. And another thing you need those silicone cups. Looks like Reese's, right? They will be quite a bit big. Or you can use also for cupcakes. Or you can use just for cupcakes. They're so easy and make sure they're good quality. Mini, if you want to make like true Reese's, but we actually like big ones. So let me show you. Sure, it's a double boiler so you can see the bowl is not touching water. That's important. And you just place and gently, slowly melt. Make kind of like a walls. It's chocolate. And now place for 10-15 minutes in the fridge just to get hot up. Sure, you use organic peanut butter, and I love to, for this recipe, creamy peanut butter. That's what you need. And if you can get good quality peanut butter, please don't buy with any palm oil or any other harm ingredients with sugar and all kind of bad stuff. And about 2-3 tablespoons of honey. And I forgot to mention about salt. Since my peanut butter has no salt, has no sugar, has no any additives, as you know, every chocolate dessert deserves and need absolutely must to have salt. So I will add some half teaspoon of pink salt, but it's up to you if you want to add to or not. Perfect. It's like the sweet salty. It's wonderful. Now we just fill out with this peanut butter filling. Now place in fridge for another 10-15 minutes or until it's hard, and we are ready to taste. Look at this, it's ready. My boys will be go crazy today about them. Look at them, so easy. You just peel off, and here you have. Awesome. We got someone to taste. Ты тоже хочешь? Ты тоже хочешь? Откуси. И ты хочешь? И ты хочешь? Вкусай. Oh my goodness. I hope I convinced you to make candy from scratch. Bye, see you next time.